Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a baked honey lemon pepper pork chop in the oven. Alright, here's my pork chop right here. As you can see, these are thick cut pork chops. We're going to cook these for 45 minutes and we will flip them in 30 minutes. Alright, so here's my seasoning. I have some Goyam's seasoning right here, 2 packets of those. I have some citrus lemon pepper from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I have some seasonings, citrus zest lemon pepper seasoning, and this also from Buffalo Wild Wings, guys. Here's my honey right here, organic honey. I'm gonna use some of this caramelized Kinder seasoning right here, and I'm gonna put some spray butter on there and some black pepper. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. We're just gonna put this stuff to the side over here. We're gonna come in here where it says on. We probably only need 1 package. This is just to make it look pretty, and it has a little flavor to it as well. So if you ever go to a restaurant or something like that, like a buffet, this is what they put on it to make it look pretty. Alright, yep, that's all we need. You just want to rub this on here. Yep, honey lemon pepper pork chops in the oven. Baked pork chops. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip these and do the other side. Well, matter of fact, I'm just go ahead and season this side. I'll come in here with my caramelized onion, about 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, now we're going to come in here with our zest, citrus zest lemon pepper. Like 1/2 teaspoon. And please do not put no salt on these chops, unless you like a lot of salt. Okay. All right. I'm gonna spray this down with a little butter. Preheat your oven, guys, at 350. All right. I'm gonna do the other side. We might need 2 packages. Alright, wash my hands off again. Caramelized onion. Alright. Citrus zest, lemon pepper. Alright, that's a little pat down. I'm going to spray this down. Alright fam, let me show you that up close. That's how that looks. Alright. We're just going to put this in the oven and cook it for 45 minutes. And we're going to flip it in a 1/2 hour. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm just going to put some of this sauce on there. Shake it up. Not a whole lot. We don't want it too tangy. Like a teaspoon per side. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze a little of this honey on here. And I'm going to put it back in the oven. I'm going to charbroil it. Just to, like, coat it. Alright. And when it's brown on this side, I'm just going to flip it over and do the same process on the other side. It shouldn't take no more than probably about 3 to 4 minutes, if that. Alright guys. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm finally done with this baked honey lemon pepper pork chop in the oven. Alright, let me show you guys how that looks. And I have some rice-a-roni, chicken rice-a-roni up under there. And it is good. I got a little piece right here I'm going to taste. And it's tender. If you got a good piece. Get that piece right there. Alright guys. Tastes good. So if you guys like this recipe, give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And yes, don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching, and God bless you, and I'm out.